Hey, I want to talk about how we ask questions as leaders. Some questions are better than other questions. You don't want to ask a question where your people are going to have to respond, well, no, but. So for example, have you completed the project yet? Well, no, but we're almost done. Ask a question that they can respond positively to. For example, have you made progress on the project? Well, yes, and we're almost done. Or maybe even better, tell me how the project's going, which is guaranteed not to put them in a bad place because they can talk about what progress they've made. That will make them feel good about what they're accomplishing. So today's leadership nudges: ask questions that people can respond affirmatively to. Avoid the no but question. No, but we haven't completed, but we're almost done. And ask the yes and question. Yes, we've made good progress and we're almost done. I'm David Marquet. That's your leadership nudge.